Hi guys, welcome to a room tour of the Concoord Hotel, Nairobi, Kenya. So I'm just going to be showing you what the room looks like. So in case you are planning to book this kind of room, so you have an idea, basically. Alright, without further ado, let's get right into the tour. Sorry my face is looking like this. I just woke up and I was very, very tired from a long flight. So this is the entrance where you are going to come in from, and to the left you have where you can keep your traveling bags and all. But I and my roommates decided to keep our shoes here. Then you have this coffee table where you are going to be provided with water every day. There is sugar, coffee, tea, milk, and other good stuff. Then you have more storage space here. Oh, there's a fridge. It's a mini fridge here, but we do not plan on using it. So that is what is in this area. And next you have the cupboard. This cupboard is massive. Now maybe because this room is for two, a lot of the things are massive. And you have the mirror. Checking myself out. So let's see how much storage space. Ooh, we have bathrobes here. Then we have hangers. Then there's a safe, sorry. There's a safe to keep your belongings. Then there is, what's this? I don't know, just containers to keep stuff. It's like bags. Then slippers. Then there's a blanket up. Then let's go into the main room. Now this is what the room looks like. It's a double bedroom. 2 people are going to be staying here. And it's beautiful. Then there's this door that's, I don't know where it leads to. But I think it leads to the next room. So it's a connecting door to the next room. But we do not know those that live next door. So please, we do not plan on opening the door. There's a TV set. We've never on the TV though. There's a reading table. It's a dustbin that contains all the information you need to know about this hotel. Their menu, room services, hotel, beaches, villa, because they have more than one hotel in Nairobi. Everything you just need to know about them. Then this is telephone to call the reception. Just press 0 and the reception is going to pick. Then there's another mirror here. Okay. Then we have this cute chairs for sitting and discussing and maybe eating. So this is like a proper coffee table to eat. Then the bed. This is where the magic happens, guys. Double beds with this cute zebra painting. So I noticed that this hotel, they use a lot of zebra paintings. Maybe zebras are a lot in Nairobi, like gorillas are synonymous rather to Rwanda. I think zebras are synonymous to Kenya. So this is the bed. Then there's another mirror here. Like we have 3 mirrors. Mirror everywhere. So there's no excuse not to check yourself before you go out. By the bed, we have this stand where there's another telephone, reading lamp, and all. Then let me show you the view. Because when you open the curtains, you are going to see a view. So this is the view. We have construction going on. So this is another Concoord hotel that is being built by the side. But if you look here, at least this view is nice. This side, this side is nice. You can see a lot of vegetations, I know. And this is the car park downstairs, so I can know when my bus arrives. Let's close it back. So guys, the next place is to show you what the bathroom looks like.